When conducting a one sample t-test for population mean, the biggest mistake I see kids make is a lack of using the proper symbols. Let's go over it. First, we have the data from what we observed. Our sample size is n, x bar is the mean of our sample, and s is the standard deviation of our sample. Then we have to build a sampling distribution on the assumption that the null is true. So the mean of all possible sample means, just like mine, is assumed to be 46. And the standard deviation, well, actually, I have to use standard error because I'm using the standard deviation of my sample instead of the standard deviation of the population. And that's exactly why it's going to be a t-test instead of a z-test. Then we have our test statistic, which is the t-score. That's going to be taking our observed mean minus the null that we assume to be true for the center of our sampling distribution, divided by that standard error, and we get negative 3.93. Finally, we have our p-value, which is the probability that any other sample mean is more extreme than the one I found of 44.2. Use our t-score to get that, and we get 0.0012. Using proper symbols, though, throughout the whole process is vital